Hey, what's up Airsoft brothers, Instinct here, and today we will be showing you how to properly clean and maintain your gas blowback airsoft pistol. Notice that your gas blowback pistol comes with magazines that can either be filled with CO2 cartridges or green gas. The method we're about to show you today works for both. Now, how about your cleaning frequency? Because some of us go out there and play pistol only games and some of us use it just as a backup. Obviously, the environment you play at also makes a difference, because some of us play at dusty environments and they'll have to clean their replica more often. Now, to determine your frequency, go out there, play about 3 days of airsoft, then start cleaning your airsoft pistol, and if you notice a difference in the smoothness of your slide, you know that it was useful to clean it. Now, let's get to it. So first, you want to take out your magazine. Next, you want to make sure your chamber is empty. When your chamber is empty, you can start disassembling your airsoft pistol. Take off the slide. Now pull back the spring guide. When you pull back the spring guide, you can take out the hop-up chamber and the inner barrel. When you've taken those out, you can take out the spring guide and the spring itself. Next, you can take out the outer barrel. Now you've taken apart your airsoft pistol. Now let's get to the cleaning. For cleaning an airsoft inner barrel, we suggest you take a look at one of our videos in which I explain just that. To find it, take a look in the description down below. For the slide and the handguard itself, we suggest you use Q-tips. You can take off most of the dirt like that. When your Q-tip seems to be clean, you know you're done. For the other parts, we suggest you use a paper towel. You can wipe off most of the dirt like that. Now you want to make sure to start lubricating your moving parts. For this, we use silicone gun oil and teflon gun grease. Make sure to use only such kind of oils because other oils may harm your rubber parts. To start lubricating your inner and outer barrel, you can simply put some silicone gun oil on a paper towel and rub these parts like that. For the spring guide, we suggest you to use a small brush to add the teflon gun grease. Next, to prevent your rubber parts from drying out, put some silicone gun oil in the nozzle seal of your magazine and in the piston of your pistol. To lubricate your slide, smear some teflon gun grease on the grooves of your slide and the handguard itself. To lubricate the remaining parts, you can simply use some silicone gun oil on a Q-tip. So now that you have lubricated your airsoft pistol, you are ready to reassemble it in the opposite direction of how you disassembled it. Now you want to make sure to remove the excessive amounts of oil. Do this by taking a few shots. Make sure to use BBs because dry firing is bad for your pistol. Thanks for watching, we really hope you learned something. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, put your remaining questions in the comment section down below, and we'll see you guys next week.